If you need special pricing to start a job, you can request a special multiplier. To make a request, go to the Order Details screen by either clicking on an existing order in the Orders tab, or by clicking on Create Factory Quote in the Items tab to create a new order. In the Notes box on this screen, write a message detailing why you need a special multiplier for this order. Remember that special multipliers are not given for every job, so be detailed in your request. Click on the Save button when you've finished your message, then click on the $sign to submit your request. You will be contacted in the near future with the results of your special multiplier request. Before submitting an order for production, make sure that all of the order's information is correct. Generate an Excel file with this information by clicking on the Excel Detail button. Review the file to make sure that prices, additions, and your multiplier have been applied. Additionally, double-check the sold to and shipped to addresses. When you've confirmed that all information is correct, click on the Send to Factory button. You will receive an email confirmation to let you know that your order has been placed.